Hello, greetings, welcome and observe. I picked this up today, Sinclair Cambridge calculator. The pocket calculator for people with sensible pockets. It has the bright 8-digit display, fully floating decimal point, constant on all 4 functions, common sense calculation sequence, and super small format. Now, the super small format, I believe, just equates to the calculator itself. It comes with the manual. I will flip through each page, and you can pause it if you want to read. If not, skip on a little bit. Error correction. Oh. It is so warm today. I think it's like 28 degrees. It's absolutely ridiculous. 28 degrees Celsius. So it's been in this shop for ages, in this charity shop, and I've noticed it, and it was half price of what they wanted it for, and that's been 2 or 3 months anyway. And the batteries have been in it, I assume, this whole time. So I'm going to do this video and then the batteries will be coming out so it doesn't damage them. This is the section with the batteries. It takes 3 size batteries. 4 of them actually even. It's a full pack these days. So there you go, 1974. Many years older than I am. And yeah, it comes in this, which isn't branded in any way at all, which you would have thought it would be. So I wonder if this is a third-party calculator protector thing that someone's bought, which is possible. This thing is minty. It's brand new. It's got a bloody smear on it where I've touched it. It is like it has just come out of the factory. Look at that. And yeah, there is not much writing to be had. Made in England. Here are your 4 batteries. Like, even this thing is really, like, snappy. It's never been used, this. Come on, focus. She is on. -81. -81. How have we not managed that? Oh, let's see if we can find the floating... What was it? The floating decimal point. Oh, it's floating. Look at that. I tried to do pi and I've done it wrong. What an absolute knob. Anyway, you knew what I meant. So obviously, just to finish, we will finish with the classic... If I can do it correctly, first time. If not, there'll be a cut here. Boobies. Peace. Peace and boobies. Just a little bit of extra. Here is it with the batteries out, just in case anyone was interested to see what was going on in there. It is a bit grimy. I suppose that's to be expected. Where's my thumb? There. But yes, that's her. Enjoy. Peace.